If your legs are not growing, your squat form is probably completely wrong right now. One small mistake in your squat can destroy your gains and slow progress significantly. You think you are training hard, but your technique is holding you back. Most people repeat this mistake daily and never see real leg growth results. Today, you will fix your squat and finally start building stronger, bigger legs faster. Most people squat with poor form, reducing effectiveness and increasing injury risk significantly. They rely on their lower back instead of engaging their leg muscles properly. Their knees collapse inward, which reduces stability and muscle activation during movement. They fail to reach proper depth, limiting overall muscle growth and strength development. They also lose tension at the bottom, making the movement less effective overall. Squats primarily target your quads, glutes, and hamstrings when performed correctly. Proper mechanics ensure that all these muscles are activated efficiently during movement. Depth plays a crucial role in activating more muscle fibers for growth. Controlled movement helps build strength and prevents unnecessary strain on joints. Bad form shifts load away from legs and reduces overall training effectiveness significantly. Unfortunately, most people perform squats with incorrect technique and poor control. They allow their knees to collapse inward instead of pushing them outward. Their back rounds forward, increasing stress on the lower spine dangerously. Their heels lift off the ground, reducing balance and power generation. They perform shallow squats instead of reaching proper depth consistently. They also rush repetitions, losing control and proper muscle engagement entirely. To fix this, you need to focus on correct squat technique carefully. Keep your chest up and maintain a neutral spine throughout the movement. Push your knees slightly outward to improve stability and muscle activation. Sit back and down instead of leaning forward excessively during squats. Keep your heels grounded firmly to maintain balance and proper force direction.
Control every movement to maximize muscle engagement and reduce injury risk. Now let's break down the exact steps to perform squats correctly. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart for a stable starting position. Brace your core tightly before beginning the squat movement downward. Push your hips back to initiate the movement properly. Bend your knees outward to maintain proper alignment and balance. Lower yourself slowly while maintaining full control over your body position. Reach proper depth where your thighs are parallel or slightly below. Keep your heels grounded throughout the entire movement for stability. Drive upward through your heels to return to the starting position. Maintain tension in your muscles throughout the entire repetition always. Repeat this movement consistently while focusing on form over speed. Avoid common mistakes that reduce effectiveness and increase injury risk significantly. Do not allow your knees to collapse inward during any part. Avoid lifting your heels off the ground as it reduces stability. Never round your back as it puts unnecessary stress on your spine. Do not rush your repetitions. Control is more important than speed. Keep your muscles engaged throughout the movement for maximum effectiveness. When done correctly, your results will improve much faster than before. Your legs will become stronger and more powerful over time. Your quads will grow larger and more defined with consistent training. Your glutes will become stronger, improving both strength and appearance. Your balance and stability will improve significantly during all movements. Proper squats build real strength that translates into everyday performance. This method ensures you are training your body safely and effectively. It also helps prevent injuries while maximizing muscle growth potential. Squats are extremely effective when performed with proper technique consistently. Focus on form, depth, and tension for the best possible results. Train smarter by improving your technique instead of lifting heavier incorrectly. Consistency combined with proper form will transform your leg development quickly. Stay disciplined and focus on executing each repetition perfectly every time. Add this improved squat technique to your workout routine today. This is how you build strong, powerful, and well-developed legs. Stop wasting time on incorrect form that limits your progress significantly. Focus on exercises that challenge your muscles in the right way. Keep improving your technique with every workout session, consistently. Your progress depends on how well you perform each repetition correctly. Stay committed and push yourself while maintaining perfect form always. This is how professional athletes train for maximum strength and performance. It is simple, effective, and works for beginners and advanced athletes alike. Start today and take control of your fitness journey seriously. Stay consistent, stay focused, and keep improving every single day. Your best results come from effort combined with proper execution always. Subscribe now for more powerful fitness strategies that actually deliver real results.